You want to interactively read out the fault memory from your ECU, delete DTCs or see snapshot or extended data records for them? Then this video is for you. Hello, my name is Michael Webler and I'm responsible for the diagnostic features in CANoe and CANalyzer. To use the diagnostic feature fault memory, at first you need to configure the diagnostic descriptions and the diagnostic window itself. If you have not done that before, check out the first two videos of this video series. Configure at least one diagnostic description and the diagnostic feature fault memory in the diagnostic window. This feature replaces the old fault memory window. Compared to the old window, there are several new possibilities. One of them is that it can now handle multiple ECUs in one single fault memory. No need to search for the right window on your CANoe desktops anymore. I already stored some DTCs in the two simulated ECUs. For reading the fault memory of all configured ECUs, just press this button and you are done. If the diagnostic description contains the corresponding services, you see now both snapshot records and extended data records for the selected DTC. You can completely customize the layout of all sections within the fault memory feature, placing them side by side or on top of each other. If you like to read the fault memory cyclically, you now define the cycle time directly in the toolbar, as well as the status byte, and if the diagnostic description contains the respective services, the severity byte. For both, you define custom preset values to choose from later. You can name them as you like. For example, here short for test failed since last clear. Depending on the configured diagnostic descriptions, different read modes are available. At least two read modes are typically there: identified DTCs by status and supported DTCs. You can now also choose additional modes like DTCs by severity and user memory DTCs by status. In the options dialog, you decide which user memory shall be used, if several are supported. Here you also switch between SAE and hex code display of the DTCs. To easily get a log of the whole fault memory contents in one shot, you choose Read snapshot and extended data records of all DTCs. This might take a little longer, depending on your network type and on how many extended and snapshot records are defined in the diagnostic description. But this way, an export of the diagnostic trace contains the complete fault memory contents. If you read the fault memory cyclically, it's also helpful to ignore identical fault memory content and thus reduce the file size of an exported file. Just activate this option. It allows you to focus on the fault memory content changes alone. Of course, you can search either in the fault memory entries or in one of the other sub-windows, like snapshot records, extended data records, and even in additional information. And finally, you can delete a single or all DTCs directly from the toolbar of this diagnostic feature. As always, you will find further information on this topic by pressing F1 and searching for fault memory diagnostic feature. That's all for now. In the next video, we will have a look at the diagnostic feature variant coding. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel, and have a look at our other diagnostics videos. For example, our next video, variant coding. Of course, these are cups, no cars, but I'll go with this variant. See ya.